Hi, I'm Steve Powell, President and CEO of Southern California Edison. It's Friday morning here. I'm in Pasadena where crews are working on power restoration, and I want to provide an update on power restoration on the system. But first, what I want to do is just give my heartfelt sympathies to all those that are impacted by the awful fires. The images that are coming in, the videos, the stories, have just been heart-wrenching, and I really feel for everybody in our communities. On the power restoration side, so as of this morning, we have 280,000 customers off across the SCE territory. Of those, about half of them are related to our PSPS, our Public Safety Power Shutoff program. Want to talk a little bit about that PSPS program. First, I want everybody to know that the last thing that we want to do as an electric utility is shut people's power off. Our goal is to provide reliable service. When we go to shut the power off, we're doing it based on real-time measurements of real-time weather. Once the power's off, you may have your power off, your neighbor's power may be on. That can be really frustrating. I absolutely understand that. Your power may be served by a circuit that's going through a high fire area that could have high winds, frankly, a couple miles away. Your neighbor's circuit is served by one that doesn't have those same winds and maybe doesn't go through a high fire area. Those are the complexities of the grid that we're managing as we run our PSPS program. Finally, when we're looking to bring power back on, when the wind has come down, we believe it's safe to do so. We have crews out that have to patrol the lines to make sure that there's not damage on those lines, that it's safe to bring them back on. So that can take some time, so that it makes it longer before power comes back. So those are some of the intricacies of PSPS, and we have crews out that are managing this, both restoring power where stuff's broken, but also managing the PSPS restoration. So I want to say thank you to our crews, thank you to the first responders, send some appreciation to PG&E for sending crews out to help as well. We're going to be on it. We're doing everything we can to restore power as quickly as we can once it's safe to do so. So please continue to look out for each other and be safe.